Liquid nitrogen planetary ball mill BZLNB-505. Supports grinding in vacuum jars from 1000 to 5000 milliliters and maintains a temperature range from -60 to -1 degree Celsius. It is ideal for large-scale cryogenic grinding of polymers, nanocomposites, pharmaceutical ingredients, and aerospace materials in industrial and research labs. Features: high-capacity grinding. Handles up to 5000 milliliters for high-volume processing. Controlled cryogenic environment. Maintains ultra-low temperatures for sensitive materials. Precision speed adjustment. Independent control of jar and sun will speeds. Dual jar compatibility. Works with both grinding and vacuum jars of varying sizes. Automated nitrogen supply. Integrated 50-liter system for continuous operation.